So welcome to this new video. Today I want to show you how you use the NVIDIA Cosmos video model inside ComfyUI. It's a text-to-video model, or you can use it for image-to-video and video-to-video. It is especially created and optimized for simulation and robotation simulation, physics simulation. This is what you can see on the NVIDIA page. They're showing some things here which you should be able to create with it. Maybe not now, but in the future. There are several versions of the model, and we are using the smallest version, the 7B. I tried the 14 version, the bigger version, on my 1490, and it didn't work. The VRAM was not enough, so I went for the 7 version, and this seems to optimize for 24 GB of VRAM, and it worked quite well. There are some clip models and a VAE you have to download. I will link everything in the description below. Here you see the 14B model and the 7B model on Hugging Face. I would suggest to go for the 7B model unless you have a super big GPU. We need the VAE. You can find it here, and we need the clip models. We have a FP8 and an FP16 model, and that's about it. You need a quite recent ComfyUI, so make sure to update your ComfyUI environment, and then the workflow is straightforward. We will create it from scratch, and I guide you through all the nodes you need. So let's start right in and create the workflow from scratch. I will create a text to video workflow here, and in the next video I will create the image to video and video to video workflow. So we need to load our diffusion model. Simple load diffusion model loader. Everything we need is integrated into ComfyUI. But I use the video combine node. It is from the VHS package, and you can simply install it via the manager. Be sure to put the Cosmos model into your unit folder and choose the 7B version here. Let's do the FP8E5M2 here. Let's load the clip models. Simple load clip. We need to load the old T2V XXL FP8 and choose Cosmos, and then the empty Cosmos latent video node. To set the video settings. Be sure to use the length of 121. If you go too far away from this value, it might damage the video result in a certain way. This is a good value. The resolution should be around 704, and I think this is a good value. Let's load the VAE with a normal load VAE node. Choose the Cosmos CV8 2828. Okay, so we need a positive prompt and we need a negative prompt. And this we can already connect to a normal case sampler, positive and negative. We need to decode everything, connect the VAE model, and for the output, as told before, I use the video combine node. Right here. Then we have to connect the model and connect the latent image. And that should be it. So let's check the settings. Like for testing purposes, I like to use the increment after generate feature, so that I can step back and force every iteration to re-render something. CFG of 6.5 should be nice. Let's choose the res multi-step as the sampler, the colors as the scheduler. Denoise stays at 1. Seed 0 is fine. I like to use the frame rate of 12. And let's set another prefix. I call it Cosmos. And I like to do MP4s. Save output. Yes, yes, yes. And that should be it for now. So I read that it is useful to make quite long prompts. So I have this one, a drone flying over a mountain range. The mountains are green and lush. The movement is low and slow and smooth. Blue sky, no clouds, but a little bit fog is seen. Cinematic panorama. And for the negative prompt, we choose this. The video is showing ugly scenes with no motion. It is filmed in a room. I want it to be filmed outside. There are humans in the scene. I want no humans and I want good quality. So I write in the video has bad quality. So this should be it. I will give this a go and let's see what it gives us. Taking quite long to generate. I will speed things up here a little bit. As said before, everything will be linked in the description below. No special Cosmos nodes needed. It's all integrated into ComfyUI. Just download the VAE, the clip model and the video model and you should be good to go. This workflow will be available on my Patreon and you can download it with a base membership. With this, you help me to bring you more of such videos in the future. And here is the result. In my first tests with Cosmos, I had really bad results, but I think it was caused by my broken ComfyUI installation. So now the results are really good and I like it a lot. It's what I asked for in the prompt, and let's see in the next videos what the image to video and the video to video brings us. Don't miss the next video, subscribe, visit my Patreon, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.